right, today we're gonna bring a folding chair. Look at this, very simple to install folding chair. We're gonna set it up today and see how well it looks. So when you get it like this fits anywhere, and it's heavy duty. It could take almost 300 pounds, and you know, I'm a heavy duty guy, so we're gonna test it out and see how well it works. So out of the box you get it like this, well managed. Some people have problems putting it back together, but this is foldable. I'm gonna show you how to fold it back too also. So let's go ahead and start and show you how it works.